Hey guys, how's it going? How to report bugs on Perplexity AI effectively. First of all, go ahead to the browser. And as you can see right here, if you want to report a bug, copy this email. So I'm gonna copy this email and I'm gonna explain exactly what's happening with details about your device, network, and steps to reproduce the issue. So I'm gonna go back and use the email app that you are using. Use the email app to send or report a bug. So in my case, I'm using Mail, and I pasted the link that I just copied, which is support@perplexity.ai. The subject: bug report, error in the search results, rendering on Perplexity AI. All right, and as you can see, I wrote down the problem. Right, two steps to first, description of the bug. Second, steps to reproduce the bug. The expected versus the actual result. Fourth, for device and environment details. Right here I'm using MacBook Pro 14-inch. And attachments if applicable. Add a screenshot of the broken layout, right? You can add the attachment by the clip icon right here at the bottom middle, and you can use your photo library or as a document if you want to attach file. And if you want to add additional information, the issue occurs consistently for long queries, but works fine for shorter queries, right? And the priority right here, medium, it significantly impacts the user experience, but I can work around it for now. Let me know if you need more details. Thank you for addressing this issue. So in my case, I wrote down this report. Just take your own time and write down your own report with following basically the mandate. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.